One simple cup changed my darkest days forever. 2 years ago, I couldn't get out of bed. Mornings felt like climbing mountains with no summit in sight. My therapist suggested medication, but I wanted to try something natural first. Then my grandmother shared her secret morning ritual that had kept her spirits bright for decades. What she told me about this simple drink shocked every assumption I had about mood and nutrition. The Harvard School of Public Health conducted a groundbreaking study on 50,739 women over 10 years. They discovered that those who consumed green tea regularly showed significantly lower rates of depression. The Journal of Nutritional Neuroscience published these findings, revealing compounds in tea that directly affect brain chemistry. But here's the fascinating science behind why this works. Green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that crosses the blood-brain barrier easily. Once there, it increases GABA production, your brain's natural calming neurotransmitter. This creates relaxation without drowsiness, unlike prescription alternatives. My personal journey started with 1 cup each morning at exactly 8 a.m. Within 3 weeks, I noticed subtle shifts. My morning anxiety decreased noticeably. By week 6, friends commented on my improved mood. After 3 months, the difference was like switching from grayscale to vibrant color. The mechanism involves more than just L-theanine, though. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant that reduces brain inflammation. Chronic inflammation contributes to depression according to research from UCLA's Brain Imaging Center. Reducing this inflammation naturally supports better mood regulation. Timing your consumption maximizes these benefits significantly. Drinking green tea 30 minutes before meals allows optimal absorption of active compounds. Avoid drinking at late evening as caffeine content may disrupt sleep patterns. Consistency matters more than quantity here. Preparation method affects potency dramatically. Steep tea bags for exactly 3 to 5 minutes in water heated to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling water destroys delicate mood-boosting compounds. Cooler water won't extract enough beneficial elements for noticeable effects. Start with 1 cup daily if you're caffeine sensitive. Gradually increase to 2 cups maximum per day. Some people experience jitters or headaches with sudden increases. Your body needs time to adjust to new caffeine levels. Quality varies enormously between tea brands, unfortunately. Look for organic options that specify L-theanine content on packaging. Japanese sencha and jokoro varieties contain highest concentrations of beneficial compounds. Cheap tea bags often lack potency needed for mood benefits. Watch for these positive changes over time. Increased morning motivation becomes noticeable first. Better stress handling develops within weeks. Improved sleep quality often follows shortly after. These markers indicate the compounds are working effectively. Certain medications may interact with green tea compounds. Blood thinners and some antidepressants can be affected. Iron absorption decreases when tea is consumed with meals. Space tea consumption away from iron-rich foods by 2 hours. People with anxiety disorders should start cautiously. Caffeine can worsen anxiety symptoms in sensitive individuals. Monitor your response carefully during the first week. Reduce amount if you notice increased nervousness or restlessness. The Japanese population provides real-world evidence. Regions with highest green tea consumption show lowest depression rates globally. Okinawans drink multiple cups daily and maintain remarkable mental clarity into advanced age. Their longevity correlates strongly with tea consumption habits. My morning ritual now centers around this simple practice. I brew my cup mindfully, using the preparation time for meditation. This combines the chemical benefits with mindfulness practice. The ritual itself becomes therapeutic beyond just the compounds. Combine green tea with morning sunlight exposure for amplified effects. Vitamin synthesis enhances mood regulation pathways. Walk outside while drinking your morning cup. This combination maximizes natural mood-boosting mechanisms simultaneously. Track your progress using simple mood scales. Rate your energy from 1 to 10 each morning. Note sleep quality and stress levels weekly. These measurements help identify optimal timing and quantity for your individual needs. Remember that depression has complex causes requiring comprehensive approaches. Green tea supports mood but isn't a complete solution alone. Severe depression always requires professional medical evaluation and treatment. Individual responses vary based on genetics and metabolism. What transforms one person's mood might have minimal effect on another. Start slowly and pay attention to your body's unique response patterns.